Hello class, we are looking into the series, the basic concepts of coding that every coding aspirant should know. In this video, we are going to see about control structures. Before we dive into the video, I welcome you all to our channel. This is Click, Fix, Code with Escape. In this channel, we learn together, code together, and have fun together. Back to the topic. Well, what is control structures? It is the basic building blocks in a program which will help to manage the flow of your program, which will enable your code to make decisions, repeat tasks, and handle different scenarios, making your program more dynamic and flexible. Why control structures are important? In decision making, repetitions of tasks to maintain the organized code. Well, there are three types of control structures in every programming language. Well, they are sequential control structures, selection control structures, or conditional statements. Then iteration control structures or loops. Well, we will discuss more about these control structures in another video. First, we look into the sequential control structure. Well, this is the most basic form of control structure, which instructions are executed one after another when you need to execute a set of instructions step by step. Well, next we will look into the selection or conditional statements. Well, these control structures allow a program to choose between different paths based on the condition. Well, there are four types of conditional statements. They are if else, or nested if. Then switch statements. Well, the final control structure is iteration control structure or loops. Well, iteration control structures or looping allows a block of code repeat itself for multiple times. There are three types of loops. There are for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Well, let's see a simple flowchart for each of the control structures. Well, the sequential control structure, each instruction is executed one after another. In the conditional statements, if the condition is true, a certain set of blocks is executed, else the another set of instruction is executed. In the loop section, if the condition is true, it executes the instruction and then checks the condition again to repeat the task if the condition is true, which means the loop is executed until the condition is true. Else, it exits the loop and move on to the next instructions. Well, there are some special controls in control structures. They are break and continue. Well, break is used to escape the loop or terminate the loop. Well, the continue statement is used to skip the current iteration and moves to the next iteration and checks the condition. If the condition is true, it executes the loop. Well, in this video, we've seen about the overview of control structures and the type of control structures which is used in the programming languages. That is, sequential control structures and conditional statements and the loops. Hope you understand what are control structures. We will get into detail about each control structures in the upcoming videos. If you like this video, give me a like and share it with other coding aspirants. And do subscribe to our channel to get more updates as soon as our next video comes out. Failure doesn't mean you lost. It means you are doing something. Do again, fail harder. Learn from it, repeat until you win. It's not over until you win. See you all until next time. Thanks for watching.